It's my mixed fruit smoothie. Cheers.
Before I go into the recipe, guys, remember to like my video, share to your friends and families. Don't forget to leave me a comment, tell me what you think about this nice smoothie. Alright, so let's get into the recipe. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you a mixed fruit smoothie. In this smoothie we have
Melon, mango, banana. I have some grass oil, plant-based, almond milk, and flaxseed, and water. So that's it, guys. All I'm going to use, no sweetener, but just these ingredients. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 ingredients in this smoothie. Alright, so I'm gonna get started. This is my blender. And this, I'm gonna add the fruits. They are all frozen. Right, guys? Mango, melon, and banana, all frozen. So let's add to the blender. So guys, if you want to get this similar smoothie taste, you will have to use the same fruits. Alright? It's a mixture. All frozen. Let's get the blender going, and I'm gonna add my almond milk. You can also use the liquid milk if you choose to do so. Alright, I'm gonna add just a half a tablespoon of flaxseed. Alright, then I'm gonna cover it. Seems like it needs more water, right, guys? Seems like it maybe need a little more. Alright, so that looks good. Alright, so let's cover this. And then I'm going to And there you have it, guys. All done. My mixed fruit smoothie. So I'm gonna glass this now, guys. I'm gonna glass this now. Let's put away these. Next, I'm gonna look at that, guys. Look at this. Yummy. So it has mango, melon, and banana with flaxseed and lots of milk. No sugar. So delicious, guys. Let me taste it for you again. So delicious. So delicious, guys. Go ahead and try it. So good. So good, guys. So remember, guys, to check out my other smoothies on my channel. Don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me what you think about this nice delicacy of smoothie. And go ahead and try it. You will love it. The children will love it because the foods were frozen. It has slushy finish. So it's icy and it tastes so good. It's smooth and nice. So go ahead and try it. You will love it. Alright, guys. Cheers. Until next time. And these are local fruits. You can get them in any supermarket, any market near you. So it's not difficult. Easy. Mango is coming in now, so you can try it out. If you don't get mango, you can replace it with another fruit. Till next time, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.